This virus means life or death for my mom.
It was scary knowing that I could potentially be bringing this back home. And I would tell her, no, I could not forgive myself if I'm the reason you died.
I'm a patient care coordinator here at Open Arms Free Clinic in Wisconsin. The patients that we see here are uninsured and low income.
If our clinic didn't exist, there would be nowhere else for our patients to go.
My family has not come from a lot of money, and we have been in the same position that most of our patients are in. We were able to overcome that, so I want to make sure that I can give them the tools to potentially overcome or at least change their outcome the tiniest bit possible.
During the pandemic, I was very depressed and I didn't know what to do or how to make it better. All I knew is I wanted this thing to go away because it was threatening my mom's life. It was threatening my own mental health. How are we going to push through this? The first news article that I saw that said we were going to have vaccines, I laughed. I thought there's no way they can make a vaccine so quickly. There's no way. A Spanish news channel was saying, oh, you're going to grow an arm, or if you get it, that means you're for sure signing your death sentence. One of the biggest red flags I heard is that it could cause infertility. My biggest goal in this world is to become a mother. So thinking that the vaccine could take that away from me, I would not mess with it. But then we would have family that would say, we need to do this, it's gonna save the world. And at home we would be like, can you believe them? During that time, my coworker Courtney really helped with giving me information about the vaccine. And me reading up on that has just made me more open-minded.
So January 8th, we had an email just saying the vaccine may be available for us. Meet me at Mercy in 10 minutes. I drove over and I'm the first one there and I'm looking around, I'm like, okay, no one's here, I'll give it a couple minutes. That entire time that we were there, I was shaking and I was nauseous and dizzy. I'm like, am I making the right decision right now? I made it based off of adrenaline. And right there, my coworker, Mary, is walking up towards me and we just look at each other and we're like, are we really doing this? And she said, I think we're getting vaccinated.
Seeing her there made me just happy, knowing, okay, maybe I did make the right choice. I'm not alone in this.
A week earlier, I had told my coworker there's no way I'm ever getting it. And now I'm standing here waiting to get vaccinated. But that day, all I could think about was, I'm here for my mom.
Hola, ma.
Hi. ¿Qué haces? My family was in shock that I actually went through with it. My mom was saying, no, 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 there's no way I'm getting it. You got it, so obviously I'm fine. So the first time around, I got the normal arm pain, but then everything that you would get with a flu, I started to get within 24 hours. But nothing came of it. It was worth it. So one of the things that kind of helped my family out after I got vaccinated was knowing that I went through it and I was okay, and the worst that could happen to them was them just not feeling well afterwards. Kind of helped ease their mind. I was able to get my mom to come in and get vaccinated as well. My aunt and uncle came in with her too, so it was great to know, wow, I kept my family safer, they're healthy. That's what made it worth it. Having gone through the whole vaccine journey myself and knowing that others might be afraid and they might not have the information or that they feel like they're being forced to, the best thing I can do is tell them, we'll give you all the information. Even if you don't want to get the vaccine that day, that's fine. We'll be here for when you're ready.